Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain why Toto went back to Brazil. We'll cover the reasons behind their long-awaited return, including fan demand and scheduling. You'll learn about their upcoming performances and the excitement surrounding these shows. Let's dive into the details of this significant event for the band and their Brazilian fans. Toto's last performance in Brazil was in 2007, part of their Falling in Between tour. For 17 years, fans eagerly awaited their return. Vocalist Joseph Williams explained that while there were opportunities, the band's busy schedule made it challenging to coordinate a visit. This long absence only fueled the anticipation for their upcoming shows. The primary reason for Toto's return is overwhelming fan demand and significant streaming success in Brazil. Guitarist Steve Lukather highlighted the band's multi-generational appeal, with young and old fans alike enjoying their timeless hits. The Dogs of Oz World Tour allows them to reconnect with this passionate fan base, bringing their iconic sound back to the stage. This November, Toto will play two highly anticipated concerts in Brazil, gracing stages in both São Paulo and Rio de Janeiro. Attendees can look forward to a dynamic setlist, including classics like Africa and Rosanna, alongside other fan favorites. The band is excited to deliver a memorable experience, showcasing their enduring musical legacy. For those looking to make meal prep easier, check the description for a link to leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.